California-based Ryvid is back in the electric motorcycle game with its latest offering, the Outset e-Scrambler. Positioned as a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance, this sleek ride is tailored for daily commuting and weekend adventures alike. While the market has seen its fair share of affordable electric motorcycles in recent years, many have fallen short in terms of range and speed. The Outset aims to change that narrative with its highway-capable design and practical features, all at a wallet-friendly price point. Powered by a 4.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack, the Outset promises an estimated range of 70 miles in eco mode, making it suitable for urban commutes and beyond. Its 72V air-cooled motor delivers a peak output of 20 horsepower and a top speed exceeding 75 miles per hour, ensuring a thrilling ride for enthusiasts. Plus, with a peak torque of 53 pound-ft, this e-Scrambler packs a punch on any terrain. Designed for versatility, the Outset boasts an upright riding position and enhanced suspension for maximum comfort and control. Its minimalist bodywork and aggressive styling blur the line between urban streets and off-road trails, offering riders the best of both worlds. Equipped with Dunlop mutants, the Outset tackles any condition with ease, while its stainless steel chassis ensures nimble handling and responsiveness. And with a removable 4.3 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery pack featuring an integrated 3.3 kilowatts fast charger, recharging is quick and convenient, whether you're using 110V or 220V power outlets. Keeping you informed on the go is a 4.9-inch TFT display, delivering clear and concise information at a glance, even in bright sunlight. Available in red or gray, the Outset is priced competitively at $5,995 and will be assembled at a new facility in San Bernardino. With shipping set to commence in the US summer, now's the time to gear up for your next adventure with the Ryvid Outset e-Scrambler.